Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how we can download the GNS3 and how we can install the GNS3. You already know that if you want to do the lab for CCNA, CCNP and also for CCIE, we need some software or we need the real device. So we are using the software, we have the GNS3, we have the EVNG, we have the packet tracer. So now we are going to learn how we can install the GNS3. If you see, first you need to go to this website gns3.com and then click software and download. You will be here in this page. You need to log in, register with your email ID and log in that one. After that you have the download. So if you are using Windows, you can download the Windows GNS3. In the GNS3 you need to download two things. This is a GNS3. Just click here, it will download. Okay, and start, it will download that one. And one more thing, you need to download this one, GNS3 VM. So you need GNS3. I am using this version. This is the latest version 2.2.54. So if you are downloading the GNS with this version, VM is also should be same version. So here you need to download this also. Click here and you see here, when you click you will get this type of interface. Here if you are using the VirtualBox, you need to download this one. If you are using the VMware workstation, so we will need this one because I am using the VMware workstation. So most of our student is using the VMware workstation only. So if you see, this is a VMware workstation, I am using that one. So I need to download this one. This is a VMware workstation. So depend which one you are using, download that one. This is a VirtualBox, I don't need this. If you are using VMware workstation or Fusion, you can download. Click this one, so it will download. So you need to download this two software. Okay, so I will click, I will download. So you need this two software and also you need the images. If you see, we need the router switch image, which one I have already. We can see that one here. If you see, this is the router images I have. This is a switch images I have, so we can install that one. And here I have the license, so everything is okay. Just we need this two software. So see here, I downloaded the GNS VM. Both should be the same version here, what version we have. And also I downloaded the GNS, the old one, means this one. So you need the GNS and GNS VM, both should be the same version. Once it is downloaded, then you can install and you can set up that one. So we are going to see that one. I will pause the video till it will download because it will take some time to download. So till it finish, I will pause the video. So if you see here, GNS is already downloaded here. You can see this is a GNS all-in-one regular, and this one GNS VM still download is going on. So if you remember, this one I am downloading one and the GNS all-in-one. So GNS is already downloaded. Here I have that one, so we can install this till the GNS VM downloaded. So just double click this and click yes. Okay, after that click next and you have this agree this one and click next and click next. Where you want to install, if you want to install in different location, select the drive, which drive you want to install. Okay, so I go here, I want to install in another drive, so I will create one folder with the name GNS3. I will install in that one. So I go E drive, virtual folder I have, I taken the GNS3 folder name. You can install default location also, no problem. Your wish, wherever you want to install, you can install. I am installing in this particular folder. Click next and then it will take time and it will install everything. So we need to wait for some time, it will finish. So it is downloading everything. We need to wait for some time. So if you see here, this one is downloading, GNS3 is downloading. Okay, so it will take some time, or I will pause the video till it finish till here. If you see here, it is downloading and installing the software, supporting software. So just you need to wait and see. It will take some time. Once it is finished, after that we can install the images also. And meanwhile, let me show you, this is a GNS VM. It is downloaded, so I can extract. Okay, this is a GNS VM, so I am extracting that one. So here is that one GNS VM. So this one we need to open in the VMware workstation. So this is a VMware workstation. Go here, open here, and go and select that path and click open, and select this one and click open. Okay, and here whatever name you want to give, you can give. Example, I will give GNS VM. Anything we can give. GNS3 I will give. And here path, I will select the my own path. If you want to keep same, you can keep same. I am taking the, in the virtual folder I have the GNS3. In this one only I am going to use import that one. So click import, select any path or default path whatever they give, and click import. It will import that one. And meanwhile you can see this one is completed. Just click next, and this one no need. And GNS3 is installed here. Okay, so the browser will open, no worries, minimize this. Here you can see GNS3 is whatever we taken from here, the GNS3 VM, that is also completed. And here our GNS3 is also installed here. You can see, double click to open this one. Okay, when you double click it will open. So this is a GNS and this is a GNS VM. So here if we want to edit anything we can edit, but now I will not edit anything. We will edit from the with the GNS. So GNS is opening, that's why it is showing that one. If you see, GNS is open here and this VM is not connected. We need to set up first time. So go here in the edit preference, and here go to the second one, server, and it should be enabled, and then go to GNS, and here click and select this one, GNS3. Okay, and apply. So this will open automatically. First time you need to do this setup. After that, whenever you open the GNS, it will open automatically. Now it is connecting with them. It is connecting with them. You will have blue color screen here, and you will have OK is written, means everything is good. If you want to increase the RAM also, you can increase. Example, I want to increase the RAM here 8 GB, so you can increase and apply here and click OK. So you can see it will restart because I changed the RAM and I apply, so it will restart again. After that you will have this GNS VM will be green. And images we will load here. If you see, we will have the option here to load the image. You can load the image here, iOS router image here. Here I have the old one, so that one is coming. If you want, we can delete and we can install the new one. Okay, because I don't want to confuse anyone. So whatever I have the old one, I will delete. I will install the new one. In QEMU, before whatever I install, that one is there. I will delete all that one. In the old version, whatever I have, that one is coming, so I deleted everything. Okay, after that if you want to apply and click OK, and you see both are green here. If these both are green means good. If you want to create new lab, you can create, but now let me go and add the image. So here I go and click new, and you can install this in the local computer or you can install in the GNS VM. Our wish, we can install here or here, but switch you should install in GNS VM. So I am using the GNS VM only. Click that and browse here the image. Which one we are installing? iOS, right? So this is iOS images what we have. Or if you don't have, let me show you where I keep. In this drive, in the software folder, I have the GNS iOS. In this one, iOS. So I will take from here. I will say OK and yes, and it will take some time. Then click next and click next. Whatever default is coming, you can take. If you want to increase the slot, you can increase also by adding something, or later also we can do. At last here click ideal PC finder, so they can select the processor. If we keep finish, it will also work, but it will utilize 100%. So if we don't want to give 100% process CPU utilization, just click, it will automatically find what is best for them and click finish. You need to wait for some time, it will take some time, then after that finish. So like this way we will install iOS router, then we will install the IOU device also. If you have any QEMU like Firewall or Juniper, we can install. See, you will get suitable they found, so click OK, finish. So this is that device. If you want to edit, you can click edit. If you want to change the icon, you can browse here and select here which one you need the icon color. You can change the icon color also here. Example, you want to change, this is look old icon. If you want to change, you can change also, but it will take time, you need to wait. And here you can see, you can click here and select any icon, which icon you like, or you can search, or whatever we have now we can keep, later we can change also, that is also possible. Okay, so this way we will keep, later we will change. Let me keep like this, click apply, or I want to install one more, so let me go here, install inside this VM, click next and new, and click here, we install this one, so I will take this, click yes. Okay, it will take some time, then click next, click next, click next, and whatever you have default keep like this only, click next, click ideal PC finder, and they will set ideally, then finish. And then we will do IOU device also. Later we will see, whenever we are going for firewall we will learn the other thing. Now I am installing only 2 router, then we will install some switch, that is enough. Later we can see, whenever we need we can install more also. So it will take some time like this, you need to wait for some time. So I will wait here. Okay, see, successfully done this one, then finish. And if you want to change icon, again same thing, but later we will change, keep like this, then go to IOL. This is a license. Okay, maybe you will not have, because I have old GNS, so it taken from there. If you don't have, then what you need to do means, this is a file actually we have, this is a license file, just you need to browse this. When you browse, automatically it will come, and check this one and apply like this. Then go to IOU device and click new here, and this will install in the GNS VM. Click next and give any name, I will give SW1, and browse here, and this is a IOU, so browse the IOU software, IOU. So this is a switch image, you can take anything, like I will take this one, wait for some time and then finish. If I want to install one more, click new, click next, I will give the other name as SW2, new, select this, first one we install, I will take the second one, wait and finish. If you need some more, 2 is enough for our lab, but anyhow I will take this also. Name here I will give, if one is also working, that is enough for us. Okay, then apply, click OK. Now I can go and click blank project. Okay, I can give any name, I can give basic name is already there. So what I can do here, basic name is already there, so let me create the basic one, because I have old, that's why. So now I created basic one, no need to worry about this one. Now click here, you can see the router which we designed before, just we want to test it is working or not. Right click, start, right click, start. You can see here this color, and right click, take console. So it is working. right click, take console. So it is working here also. These both routers are working. So if you see both routers are working, now we need to work for the switch. We need to check switch is working or not. So router is working. If you click here, these are the switch which we install. Later we can change the icon, name, everything. Just I want to check. So this is a switch. I started. I will take the console of the switch and see here. This is a switch. We need to wait for some time. It is booting up. Here you can see it is green, so it is working. This is router, this is router, this is switch. So see here, this switch is booting up. Okay, so switch is also, even if one switch is working, that is enough for us. See, now switch came here. You can write show VLAN brief. So switch is also working. Everything is good here. Now if you want to change the name here, click config template, and here you are getting the IOU, so you can write SW here. If you want to change the icon, just click here, which color switch you need, you can select. So all time whenever you drag and drop the switch, you will get that color switch. Okay, so I will change one example. I can say this blue color switch. I will write here switch and select this, click OK, click apply. See, same thing if you want to do here, edit configuration, change this to SW. Okay, and if you want to change the icon, which icon you need, you can select that icon. Example, I need to use the red color. Circle you need or square you need, whatever you need. Example, this one. Right here switch, select this, click OK, apply. If you want to change, same thing. Click here, right click, edit config, give here SW. Here you give the which color you need. You can select which color. You can use green. You need to wait, this will be finished. After that you need to do, so wait for some time. Click this and right here switch, select which switch you need, click OK. Now drag, example you need this, right click, start. You see it is started, and now take the console. It will take some time. When you open the console, it will boot, it will come like here it came before. You need to wait for some time. After that it will work. Okay, see, it is working now. Switch 1 is working. It is booting up. This font size we can increase, no problem, or you can write show VLAN brief. So this switch is working. You have the font size also, you can increase also here, but later we will see that one. We have here option to increase the font size also, so we can increase the font size. Appearance, if you see here you can increase the font size 14, and then click open, click save. Okay, save. Now you can close all this, and now take the console. Okay, and press enter. See, the font size is changed. You can increase or decrease font size based upon our requirement. We can do that one. Here we will go and we will do in the setting, general, this launch putty color. Here behavior, you can change the font size 14 and click OK. And here you can behavior, translate, and session, save. You did not save, then it will not increase. So I save, and here also I will save. Now let's see, because I think before it is not changed, now it should change. So it is changed or not. Show version. Let me cross check. It is changed, but let's see, maybe I did not change. Yeah, it is not changed. Now I say okay. After that, this session, click save, select save. I think now it is safe. Let's see. Yeah, see, now you have the font size is 14. If you want to reduce, you can reduce also. 14 look very big, so I can put little less. So go to setting, general, launch putty, go to appearance, change here, instead of 14 we will select 12. Okay, and click OK. Go here session and here select default and click save and click cancel, click save. That's all. And now open and let's see. Here we said 12, so 12 is good, I think. Okay, 12 is good, so this size is good. So this way we will install the GNS3 images and the switch, everything. Okay, if you have any doubts, any confusion, let me know. So here I can take the console of this. This is a switch. If you want to check, show spanning tree, see spanning tree, everything is okay here. So let me end the session. I will delete this all whatever I taken here. So you can try this, join our Telegram channel, we are sharing there more resources. Okay, here you can see all the devices off, and if you want to close, just click this. So when you close that, automatically this will also close. Sometime if it is not closing, then manually you need to see here, waiting for the local server to stop. So it will close. Once it is closed, here also automatically it will close. See, automatically here also close.